taking a look at the vertical structuring of a food forest, and we're also taking a look at one of the specific guilds that we have here at the YMCA in La Crosse. We've talked about how we layer things vertically. Highest in our layer here at our food forest is going to be a fruit tree. Food forests can have canopy species as well, but we don't have the space for it. So our tallest layer is going to be the fruit tree layer. This is a Liberty apple. Liberty is a variety that's disease resistant. Underneath this apple, we're going to have a couple different shrubs growing. Back here we've got a currant, which is a native shrub that has an edible berry. Over here we have an elderberry, another native shrub that'll get a little bit bigger than the currant. You can eat the elderberries, you can use the elderberries as an herbal remedy. And then growing a little bit lower here, we have, this is Baptisia, also known as false indigo. And one of the really neat things about this plant is that it's a nitrogen fixer. So just like how a farmer rotates beans through their field to get nitrogen into the soil, we've got this nitrogen fixing leguminous false indigo here to do that for us, putting nitrogen into the soil. We've also got kind of hidden back here a plant called comfrey, and this is known as a dynamic accumulator, meaning that it has a very deep taproot, a deep root that goes into the soil and mines the nutrients, the minerals from deep in the soil where other roots aren't reaching. It puts those minerals in its leaf, and then a few times a year we cut the whole plant down and just throw it right on the ground and mulch the ground that way. All those minerals that are not in the leaves are now entering into the bed of the garden here. We also have over here, we've got some mint, and this is kind of creating a ground cover for us. It's also bringing in a lot of pollinators. If you were to look at this mint when it's flowering in midsummer, it literally buzzes because there's so many bees and different pollinators here that are going to pollinate our fruit trees and our fruit shrubs. Also, you can make a really nice tea that aids digestion with this mint as well. So what you'll see here is we have a vertical layering of plants. Each plant has multiple functions, and they're all working together to create a functioning ecosystem.